chalo, let us start today in the topic which is equality of matrix. In equality of matrix, he'll be giving us two matrix. हमारे पास दो matrix रहते हैं and which will be equal to each another. In this example problem number 1, in this video let us solve more number of problems. हमारे पास दो मैट्रिक्स हैं, यहाँ पर एक ए मैट्रिक्स है और यहाँ पर बी मैट्रिक्स है. we need to find we need to find the value of x, we need to find the value of y, we need to find the value of z, we need to find the value of a, we need to find the value of b and we need to find the value of c. हमको इतने values find करना है. So the topic itself says that it is a equality, means both the matrices are equal. Here in place of a11 and here in place of a11 it is x plus 3. If I write x plus 3 and here sign is equal to, if I equate it to 0, then x value will be minus 3. If I equate it to 0, why? Because this is an equality matrix, then x will be minus 3. Here in place of a12 it is z plus 4. If I write z plus 4 equal to, and here in place of a12 it is 6, then z will be equal to 4, 6 minus 4 and z will be equal to 2. We got the value of z also. And in place of a13, here 2y minus 7 is there, and here in place of a13 3y minus 2 is there. Let me bring this 2y here and let me bring this minus 2 here. 2y, sorry, let me bring this 3y here. Here minus 2 comes here, which will become plus 2, minus 7 which is equal to 3y. 2y plus comes here, becomes minus 2y. 2 minus 7 minus 5 is equal to y. Y will be minus 5. Okay, y will be minus 5. Let us find the value of a also. Here a22, in place of a22 a minus 1 is equal to, here in place of a22 minus 3 is there, minus 3, minus 1 goes there, becomes plus 1, a is equal to minus 3 plus 1, a will be minus 2. We got the value of a also. Here in place of a23 0 is there, and here in place of a23 2c plus 2 is there. 2 is positive, when it goes there it will become negative. Minus 2 is equal to 2c, 2 gets cancelled, c is equal to minus 1. We got the value of c, and we want the value of y, b. Here b minus 3 is equal to 2b minus 4. Here in place of a31 b minus 3 is there, sign is equal to, and here in place of a31 2b minus 4 is there. I am bringing this b here and I am bringing this minus 4 here. So minus 4 comes here, becomes plus 4, minus 3 is equal to 2b minus b. 4 minus 3 is 1, 2b minus b is b, b value is 1. If I put this a value, b value, x value, y value and z value in this both matrices, then this both matrix will be equal. Like x value is minus 3. If I put minus 3 here, this will become minus 3 plus 3, this will become 0. So this is also 0 and this is also 0. If I put the value of z as 2, if I put 2 here, this will become 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Here it is also 6, here it is also 6. Similarly, if I put the value of y as minus 5 here, which will become 2 into y, means 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5 minus 7. 5 2s are 10. Minus 10 minus 7 will be minus 17 here. A13 is minus 17, and here if I put the value of y, 3 into minus 5 minus 2. 3 5s are 15. Minus 15 minus 2 is also minus 17. So this was example problem 1 for equality of matrix. This is the second example for equality of matrix. Here let us notice that in place of a11, 2a plus b is there. So 2a plus b is equal to, in place of a11, 4 is there. 2a plus b is equal to 4. Let this be equation number 1. And here in place of a12, uh, a minus 2b is there, which is equal to, in place of a12 minus 3 is there. If I write minus 3, let this be equation number 2. If I solve this both equation, I am solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. I'll show you two methods how to solve this equation. 2a plus b is equal to 4. A minus 2b is equal to minus 3. I am multiplying this equation with 1. I am multiplying this equation with 2. If I multiply this equation with 1, I'll get same equation. 2a plus b is equal to 4. If I multiply 2 with this equation, this will become 2a minus 2 2s are 4b is equal to 3 2s are minus 6. Next, 2a, I need to change the sign. This is positive, this will become negative. This is negative, this will become positive. This is negative, this will become positive. Plus 2a minus 2a gets cancelled. 4b plus b plus 4b will be plus 5b. 4 plus 6, which will be 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. The value of b is equal to 2. I got the value of b as 2. Now if I substitute this b in any of this equation, equation 1 or equation 2, I'll get the value of a. Let me substitute in 1. 2a plus value of b is 2 is equal to 4. 2a is equal to 4 minus 2. 2a is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. A is equal to 2 by 2 means 1. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, we'll get the value of a as 1. Let me show you another method for solving this equation. As we are having two constants, so constants are a, b, and I'll write here 1. First, we need to arrange this equation. 2a plus b minus 4 is equal to 0. A minus 2b plus 3 is equal to 0. We need to write the coefficient of b first. Coefficient of b is 1. We need to write the right hand term, which is constant, which is minus 4, and we need to write the left side coefficient of a, which is 2, and 1 middle. We need to start from middle, write the right side coefficient, write the left side coefficient, and write the middleist term. And in second equation, same. The center term is minus 2. Let me write minus 2 here. And right side it is minus 3. Let me write minus 3 here. And left side it is 1. Let me write 1. And again middleist term. If I solve this equation, let me say that this is x, this is y, this is z, and this is k. We should multiply x and k, y and z. A by 1 3 is minus 3 minus, this is minus of this formula. Let me assume that this is a, this is b, this is c, this is d. The formula will be ad minus bc. Means we need to multiply this and we need to multiply this. So AD minus BC. If I do 1 3 are 3, I have multiplied A with D. Minus means this 1 3 are 3. Minus 2 2s are 4. This minus into this minus is plus. So 4. This minus is of this formula. AD minus BC. And this 4 ones are minus 4 minus 3 2s are 6. AD minus BC here. 4 ones are minus 4. Minus for that formula 3 2 is 6. 2 2s are 4 plus into minus 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 1 1 are 1. So this is A by minus 1, which is equal to B by minus 9, which is equal to 1 by minus 5. So 3 minus 8 is minus 5, minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10, minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5. Again we need to equate this both. A by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 5. Minus 5 cancel, A is 1. And we need to equate this both equation. B by minus 10 is equal to 1 by minus 5. Minus cancel, 5 ones are 5 2s are 10. B is 2. If we solve these equations by using this method or by using this method, we'll get answers same. So this was second example for equality of matrix. If I am keeping the values of A and B here, so 2A plus B, what is the value of A? A is 1, so 2 into 1 2 plus B is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, so A11 is also 4, here A11 is also 4. If I am keeping the value of A and B here, A is 1, 1 minus 2 into B means 2 to the 4, 1 minus 4 is minus 3, here is minus 3, here is also minus 3. So similarly we got the value of A and B. Next, by equating this with this and equating this with this, we need to get the value of B. Now let me find the value of C and D. This is A21. A21 here is 5C minus D, which is equal to, here A21 is 11. This will be 5C minus D minus 11 is equal to 0. That is the equation number 3. Now equating A22. If I equate A22, 4C plus 3D here is equal to 24. Here A22 is 24. So 4C plus 3D plus 24 comes here, becomes minus 24, which is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Now if I solve this both equation by that two methods, then we'll get the value of C and D. So 5C minus D minus 11 is equal to 0. 4C plus 3D minus 24 is equal to 0. I am solving this both equations. Now I am multiplying 4 to this equation. I am multiplying 5 to this equation. 5 4s are 20C minus 4D minus 44 is equal to 0. If I multiply, which will become 20C plus 5 3s are 15D minus 24 5s are 120, which is equal to 0. If I change the sign, this is positive, it will become negative. This is positive, this will become negative. This is negative, this will become positive. So plus 20 minus 20 gets cancelled. Minus 4D minus 15D will become minus 19D. Minus 120 minus 120 minus 44 will become minus 164. So here I should write minus 164, which is equal to 0. Now minus 19D is equal to 164. Minus 164 goes there, plus 964. 164 divided by 19 will be D is equal to, here we'll get D as minus 3. If I substitute this D minus 3 in equation number 1, so 5C minus minus plus 3 equal to 11. 5C equal to 11 minus 3, x equal to 11 minus 3 will be 8. C equal to 8 by 5. This will be the value of C. So this was the example problem number 2. Equality of matrix. We found the value of A, B, C and D using different equations. We have solved equations using two methods. In every problem, in every video, I give you simultaneous method also. If you find any other method tough, you can go to next method.